In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this Nokia. Begin by opening Photos app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now click on those type of dots at the top left corners, and this way select all of your files from chosen category. In my case, this Friday. Now to exclude some of them, just click on the chosen ones. I will go with those 3. And to delete the rest, tap on this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!